Here is another edition of Ekele's Online Mathematics. Today we are going to be looking at a higher mathematics called Quotient Rule. Now in Quotient Rule is an aspect of differentiation. We have Quotient Rule, we have Product Rule, we have Chain Rule, we have implicit differentiation, which I have talked about in my previous video. You can go to YouTube and get that. Today we'll look at Quotient Rule. What is the meaning of Quotient Rule? Quotient is gotten from the word division. Don't forget, when you have 1 plus 4, for example, is 5. 5 is called what? Sum. If you have 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 is called difference. Then when you have 4 times 3 is 12. 12 is called product. These are elementary things we know. Then when you have 12 divided by 3, for example, is 4. 4 is called quotient. This is where the word quotient came from division. 4 is called quotient. Now, in quotient rule, we have a formula that says, okay, let's solve this. Solution. In quotient rule, if y equal to sine x over x squared, now, quotient rule has a formula that says the derivative of y with respect to x is equal to, put down v du over the x minus u dv over the x all over v squared. Now, this is the formula we use in solving problem that involves quotient. We use this rule. Now, what does that mean? Let's see. Let y be equal to, from this function here, sine x over x squared. Then we say where u equal to sine x and v equal to x squared. First of all, let's work on this. If u equal to sine x, du, the derivative of u with respect to x, which is du dx, is cos x. Let's keep that aside. Then we say also, let v be equal to x squared, so that dv dx, the derivative of v with respect to x is 2x. Now we're going to substitute all this into the formula. So I'll clean this part of the board and continue. If we do that, we're going to have dy over dx is equal to v. What is v? X squared. V du dx cos x minus u, which is sine x, dv dx, which is 2x, all over v squared. What is v squared? X squared. X squared all squared. From the formula, I substitute into the initial formula I wrote on the board. So now let's expand this. We have the y over the x equal to, open this bracket, x squared times cos x is x squared cos x. Sine x times 2x is 2x sine x all over 2 times 2 is 4. So you have x raised to the power of 4. So I'll clean this and proceed. Now we have this. Let's look at what we can factorize on this numerator. What can we find here and we can find here? There is x here, there is x here. Factor it out, x. If you bring out one x here, you have another x left. Cos x. Minus, if you bring out x from 2x, you're left with 2. 2 sine x, close the bracket, all over x raised to the power of 4. Now, this x will cancel one of the x here. X raised to the power of 4 means there are 4x here. When you cancel one, you are left with 3x. So your final answer becomes dy over dx is equal to, you have this x cos x minus 2 sine x all over x raised to the power of 3. So this gives you the final answer. Now this is what you do when using quotient rule. So we have come to the end of this class. You can like and share this video. You can also go to my YouTube page for subsequent videos on higher mathematics. Thank you.